of 17 Saudi Arabian citizens or residents died on a country road each day, according to the ArabNews.com. The study revealed that during 2008 and 2009, nearly 6,485 people had died, and more than 36,000 people have been injured. In over 485,000 accidents. It's quite horrible. Nearly 30% of the traffic accidents in Saudi Arabia, capital Riyadh, were due to the driver jumping the red lights, followed by 80% drivers taking an illegal U-turn. Saudi Arabia has recorded 4 million traffic accidents, which has led to 86,000 deaths and 611,000 injuries. Out of these 611,000, 7% are those who you cannot make it fine. They are disabled. This is in the past 2 decades. The study was conducted by World Health Organization, which we know as WHO, rated Saudi Arabia having the world's highest number of deaths from the road accidents. The kingdom received 5 points out of 10 in applying speed limits, 2 out of 10 in applying helmet for the motorcycles and cyclists, 5 out of 10 in applying seat belts, and 2 out of 10 in ensuring the children's safety in a vehicle. King Abdulaziz City for Science and Technology, they call it CAST, C-A-C-S-T, recently said in a report that Saudi Arabia will have over 4 million traffic accidents a year by 2030. 4 million traffic accidents a year by 2030. If the increasing number of the road accidents are not decreased. According to the above statistics from different surveys, as it has been mentioned, it is quite dangerous to drive in Saudi Arabia. We believe the following points can decrease the number of accidents. Point 1, making traffic laws known to everyone by email, by distributing pamphlets, by SMS, books, and there are many other ways in this modern global world. Number 2, having penalty for traffic laws. If someone breaks the law, he should be given heavy penalty. Number 3, education to the drivers regarding the rules and regulations, the signboards, and all other stuff like that regarding driving. Number 4, speed limits. And number 5 is the most important, caring for each other. I believe these 5 points are the solution of the accidents in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Now you can have some question answers round. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Mr. Rahman, thank you very much. My question is to you. Your press conference, you talked a bit about driver's educations. What did you exactly mean by education? Could you elaborate on that?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Mr. Majid Al-Ghamdi. The education to the drivers. Whenever you get license, you do a test, and then you have the sign test. Other than sign test, there are many other education things. For example, as I said, caring for each other. Don't make yourself safe. Save the people who is at the back of your car, taking care of your car, not having or not you have the car and these indicators are not working, can cause other people accidents. This is what I meant. Taking care of your car and taking care for others. Yes, any further questions? Yes, sir.
There is no law in Saudi Arabia about women in driving. Are they not allowed?
Currently, it's not allowed. Currently, in the kingdom, it's not allowed. Though it's allowed in the Aramco, but in the kingdom, it's not allowed. Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you for your speech, Mr. Khattab. what is the speed limit nowadays it's prevailing in Saudi Arabia? We see in the roadside 110 and somewhere 90, somewhere 100.
Yeah,
What
I
is
do
the
understand.
exact?
Actually, in the highways all around the world, the speed limit is maximum 110. Before the speed, in KSA it was 120. Now they are following the international law, which is 110. Even Australia, America, all other sides, they are using 110 for the highways.
You mean to say that if you drive by 110, there will not be any death?
It depends upon the safety, as I said, caring for each other. Yes, any further questions, sir?
My name is Malik Farooq.
Yes, sir.
What are the causes of accident? Can you explain it?
Yeah, sure. The number one cause, I believe, is the education. Why? There are zebra crossing on every signal, every cross, but people are not using it. They are still crossing by the cars. There are signals to be followed, but no one is following it. There are laws to whom you should follow, but no one is following it. If we get the proper education, we could have some pamphlets by SMS, Facebook, Twitter. There are many other things by which you can communicate with your people. I think that's the best thing. Thank you for once again, and we will have the question answers with me personally by the day. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Are we going to eat or are we going to ride? So we proceed.
Not at come.
Yes, yeah.
Proceed.